In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discord hardware acceleration. If Discord is feeling laggy, glitchy, or causing display issues, turning off hardware acceleration can sometimes help. This setting makes Discord use your computer's hardware, like the graphics processor, to improve performance. But on some systems, it can actually create problems instead of fixing them. To get started, open Discord and look at the bottom left corner of the window. Next to your profile area, you'll see the User Settings gear icon. Go ahead and click that to open your settings menu. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left sidebar and scroll down until you reach the App Settings section. In that section, click on System. This will open the system-related options for Discord. Now look for the hardware acceleration setting. When you find it, toggle the switch to the off position. As soon as you do that, Discord will show a confirmation prompt, letting you know the app needs to restart for the change to take effect. Click Change and Restart, or OK, depending on what appears on your screen. Discord will close and relaunch automatically with hardware acceleration disabled. And that's it, you've successfully turned off Discord hardware acceleration.